Have you ever felt like your night vision isn't what it should be? Maybe while driving, the headlights don't seem normal anymore. They feel blinding, the road looks fuzzy, and no matter how much you squint, your eyes don't adjust. Maybe in the middle of the night, it takes you far too long to find the bathroom light switch because your eyes don't catch the dark as quickly as before. Or maybe your glasses, the ones that usually help, don't seem to work as well once the sun goes down. If this sounds familiar, you're not imagining it. It's part of a slow change that happens in the eyes with age. The rods in the retina, the very cells needed for night vision, don't stay strong forever. The cornea doesn't hold moisture the way it used to. The lens slowly stiffens, and it doesn't stay clear. If these changes are ignored, they don't just stop on their own. They add up, and eventually, they can cause something you really don't want to face, a gradual and permanent loss of night vision. That means no more evening drives, no more late-night reading, and even something as simple as crossing your living room at night doesn't feel safe anymore. But here's what most eye doctors don't usually tell you: your eyes aren't powerless. They don't just fade without any chance of support. In fact, there are natural ways to help them heal, even while you sleep. And it doesn't have to involve expensive supplements, risky procedures, or endless drops. It's about using everyday foods, blended into simple smoothies, that don't just taste good, but actually give your eyes what they're usually missing at night. Each drink targets a different part of your vision so your eyes don't keep breaking down in silence. For example, blueberries and bananas aren't just breakfast food. Without them, your retina doesn't get the antioxidants it needs. Blueberries bring anthocyanins that your eyes don't make on their own, compounds that cross into the retina to fight damage, improve blood flow, and help your eyes recover from glare. Bananas provide magnesium and vitamin B6, without which blood vessels in your eyes don't relax as they should, and oxygen doesn't reach the retina properly. Together, they stop your eyes from feeling like they've been left in the dark with no repair. Carrots and ginger are another example. Without vitamin A from carrots, the cornea doesn't stay moist, doesn't heal well, and doesn't protect you from night blindness. Without ginger, inflammation quietly builds, blood sugar doesn't stay stable, and your eyes don't calm down overnight. Spinach and mango? Without them, the macula, the part that helps you see fine detail, doesn't get the shield it needs from blue light damage. Lutein and zeaxanthin act like filters, and when they're missing, your eyes don't block the stress from screens or streetlights. Mango brings vitamin C, and without it, the tiny blood vessels in your eyes don't stay strong. And finally, avocado and kale. Without healthy fats from avocado, your eyes don't absorb the very nutrients they depend on. Without vitamin K and chlorophyll from kale, the delicate eye cells don't heal as fast and the blood vessels inside them don't stay protected. Here's the thing. Your eyes don't repair themselves instantly. And if you do nothing, they don't stop declining. But if you give them the right support at night, they don't just survive, they actually start to work better again. You don't need fancy equipment, you don't need to spend money on things that don't work. You just need one small evening habit that your eyes don't get without you giving it to them. One smoothie, 45 minutes before bed, is all it takes. Don't wait until you can't drive at night. Don't wait until you can't read before bed. Don't wait until you're scared to walk across your own home in the dark. Your eyes don't have to keep declining. They don't have to give up on you. Start small, stay consistent, and your vision doesn't just fade, it strengthens. Take care of your eyes, because if you don't, they won't take care of you.